Hey there, wonderful people of the internet. It's your host, Tshoko, and I'm back with a fantastic guest who needs no introduction at this point, Dave, our go-to AI online money-making researcher. Dave, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me, Tshoko. Always a pleasure to be here and share some incredible opportunities with our viewers.
You know it. And today, we've got something truly mind-blowing lined up for you, folks. We're diving into a method that could have you making $1,000 a day using Google News. Yes, you heard it right, it's free, and it's happening in 2023. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, I need you to do two things for me, dear viewers. First, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Why? Because if you want more money-making gems like this, you need to stay tuned to our channel. Second, you won't want to miss a second of this video, so watch it all the way to the end. But, folks, remember this isn't financial advice. Always do your due diligence and consult a financial advisor when making significant decisions. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. Dave, spill the beans. Why is Google News such a game changer?
Tshoko, Google News is like your personalized money-making newspaper. It's got categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports, and health. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert or have a massive following to make money here.
But how, Dave?
It's all about copying and pasting articles, Tshoko. You pick an article, let's say, in the health category, copy the text, and then we'll show you how to make it unique.
Alright, now let's get into the real meat and potatoes. How can our viewers make money with Google News?
Here's the step-by-step process, Tshoko. First, go to news.google.com, select a category you like, think business, tech, or health. Next, find an interesting article and copy its text. That's step 1.
And what's next, Dave?
Step 2 is where the magic happens. Head over to spinbot.com, paste the article, and let it rewrite it for you. It's that easy to make the content unique.
Viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel right now. You won't want to miss what's coming next. So, Dave, we've got unique articles. What's the next step to turning them into cold, hard cash?
Tshoko, it's all about submitting these articles to websites that pay. The first one on our list is eatingwell.com. You can earn up to $1 per word here. Imagine the possibilities.
That's amazing. What's the second website, Dave?
The second one is sierraclub.org. They're looking for health and fitness articles, and it's the same process. Submit your unique content and get paid.
Hey, viewers, another reminder, hit that subscribe button and stay in the loop. And the third website, Dave?
The third one is dailymstore.org. Here, you can submit articles related to technology or science. They pay around 31 cents per word, which still adds up nicely.
So, Dave, if our viewers dedicate some time to this, they could potentially be making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every day, right?
Absolutely, Tshoko. It's a fantastic opportunity to maximize your earnings.
And folks, here's the part where we need your help. Leave a comment below, give this video a like, share it with your friends. Dave, this sounds incredible, but I'm sure our viewers are wondering how many articles should they aim to submit daily to make a substantial income?
Great question, Tshoko. It really depends on your dedication and time. If you can submit a few quality articles each day, you're on the right track. Aim for consistency over quantity.
Dave, ensuring uniqueness is crucial. Can you give our viewers some tips on how to make their rewritten articles truly stand out?
Absolutely, Tshoko. Try to add your personal touch to the articles. Share your thoughts, insights, or experiences related to the topic. This makes the content more authentic and engaging.
Dave, you mentioned different payment options earlier. Could you elaborate on these options and which one you recommend?
Certainly, Tshoko. You can choose from PayPal, bank transfer, and more. PayPal is convenient for many, but bank transfers might be better for larger payments. It really depends on your preferences and location.
Dave, for our viewers looking to scale up their earnings, are there any advanced strategies or additional websites they should explore?
There are always opportunities for growth. Consider exploring other content platforms like Medium or blogging. Diversifying your income sources is a smart move to boost your earnings.
Hope you're as excited as I am about these money-making methods. If you have any questions for Dave or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. Let's build a supportive community. Tshoko, Dave, are these methods sustainable over the long term, or are they just a short-term opportunity?
These methods can provide a consistent income, but remember, online landscapes change. It's crucial to stay updated, adapt to trends, and continue learning to ensure long-term sustainability.
Dave, before we wrap up, can you provide some guidance on any legal considerations our viewers should be aware of when using these methods?
Absolutely, Tshoko. It's crucial to respect copyright laws. Only use articles you have permission to use or articles with open licenses. Plagiarism can have serious consequences, so always be mindful of this.
Dave, not every submitted article may get accepted. How should our viewers handle rejection, and is there room for improvement?
Rejections are part of the process, Tshoko. Use them as opportunities for improvement. Review feedback if available, and keep refining your content. Persistence is often the key to success in this field.
Dave, for viewers with other commitments like a full-time job or family responsibilities, how can they balance their online money-making endeavors with their existing obligations?
Balancing is challenging but doable. Set realistic goals, manage your time wisely, and prioritize your responsibilities. Consistency matters more than quantity, so find a pace that works for you.
We've covered a lot of ground today, and I'm sure you have questions or experiences to share. Don't forget to leave a comment, and Dave and I will do our best to engage with you. Dave, the online landscape evolves rapidly. How can our viewers stay up to date with the latest money-making trends and opportunities?
Great question, Tshoko. Following industry news, subscribing to relevant newsletters, and participating in online communities can help you stay informed. Adaptation is key to success.
Dave, this has been an eye-opener, as always. Thanks for being here today.
Anytime, Tshoko. Remember, folks, these opportunities are real, and they're waiting for you. Take action.
And to our amazing viewers, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, and keep hustling towards your financial goals. Until next time, stay motivated, stay informed, and stay tuned to our channel.